I'm so happy to be back with you all. This is the first try-on of the 2023 season. Can't believe it's 2023, but there's so much to talk about, so let's dive right into it. I'm in my first look of the day. This is the Melina set. They come separately, so this is a beautiful vest and then a wide leg pant. The color is gorgeous. It is this caramel color, but it's almost like a warm toffee kind of shade, which is beautiful. I love a vest. I love it. So I feel like January you can go, you're like defining your style, you know, it's a new year, it's a new season, you just want to get that new style in. This is so classic, but so edgy and it's just a little bit sexy. I know that's kind of odd for like a pantsuit, but it is because it's got this beautiful, beautiful vest style. I have mine open. I can close it. I'm in a size 12 here, but we were talking about how I may size up and tailor it. I think that would be gorgeous. Actually, I just realized, thanks to Warna, the owner, of course, of Incandescent, that I am a heart-shaped body. So this is like my body shape. Now, I've always thought I was maybe an apple, but I'm not. I'm a heart. So tailoring would really complement just the way that my body is shaped. The wide leg pant is gorgeous and it's extremely generous in length. So I've pinned up one side so you can kind of get an idea of how flattering, like it looks just cascading down my leg here. But if you are taller than me, which most people are, I'm only 5'3", there's a generous amount that you can play with. So if you want to take it up or whatever, if you want to wear a heel. I also love the look of this open, and I would love the look of this vest with some leather pants. I think that'd be gorgeous. And if you're like me and very busty, I love a turtleneck top. I love it, but it can be hard for me to wear. Like, I'm so chesty, it always feels so heavy and almost stretched across my chest. So having a vest over top of a turtleneck just gives me a whole new confidence. For my next look, I'm in love with this one. Okay, I'm in love with this. It is the perfect dress because it has so many features that are just too perfect. It has the high-low hem. So this could be like a tunic. You could wear it with leggings. I'm wearing it with tights. You could wear it in the spring's coming. You could wear it in the, I know it's the first snowfall, but spring is coming, and you could wear it with a little denim jacket. So it has so many flexibility features to it because it has the high-low hem. So you can wear it with tights, with leggings, with whatever you like. And it has beautiful 3/4 length sleeves. So it gives me the freedom whenever I'm in the kitchen and stuff, like sleeves hanging over my hands. I can't deal with that. When you're doing art, I don't know, whatever. When you're knitting, whatever you're doing, it's perfect. And then there's the floral. I am a floral gal. I love floral, but I like a little soft and hard. I like a little sweet and sassy. So I've paired this beautiful floral, which could be very dainty and very, you know, pretty, with some harsher boots. A combat boot with a dress is just, I do love it. And then I have these gorgeous little earrings in as well. These are, of course, from hair, but these are beautiful little pink resin hoops. But they have like a pearlescent, which is all of the rage. So the Hailey Bieber nail, you all know what I'm talking about, that little pearlescent vibe. So I have a little bit of sweet, I have a little bit of sassy, and I have the perfect dress. Oh, it also has, I like this because you can define your waist if you tie it, or you can just loosen it up and wear it more like sheath, just totally free, comfy. So cute. These are leggings for your office. These are so comfy. These are the softest. Warna just said they're like a sport material, and they're so comfortable, but they are elevated. They are non-sporty. They are definitely like a beautiful looking pant, but they're so comfy. Honestly, you have to come try these on. These are the Tessa pant, and they're in a navy, which is so classic, and I'm just loving navy right now. And I paired it with this beautiful floral top, which has, I love this smocked sleeve. It has smocking, but at the bottom of the sleeve, like, you know, smocking, you usually see it on the chest area. These have beautiful cuffs with smocking and a tiny, tiny little ruffle. They're so beautiful. The pattern is gorgeous. I put in some jade earrings to pull out, you know, all the colors. Like, this is a pop-in outfit, but it's also, you could wear this anywhere. You could be around the house in this. I can't wear jeans in my house. I could wear these hanging out in my house, cleaning up. They're so comfy. And they make your bum look good. So I'll give a little bum shot. Shout out to all the bums. See that? It lifts. It looks good. So nice. They got it twice. This is the same design as the previous shirt I was in, but this is a dress, and it is chef's kiss to this one because it is so beautiful. This pattern is just so fresh. The colors are so fresh. It just feels like it's still appropriate for the season, but it just feels like we're breathing new life into things. I love it. So I, of course, am a crossbody gal, so I found this and gave it a little try. And I wish I had like some nude mules on or something, because I'll kick off my shoes. Don't let my shoes distract you, because I just think like a little nude shoe with this, a heavy cardigan, whatever. I just love it. Everything about the dress is just so perfect. It has the teeniest, slightest, blink and you'd miss it, a high-low hem. So it's just like the smidge of longer in the back than it is the front. It is perfect length, again with the 3/4 length sleeves. This top, I'm in a 12, so that's like it's a little generous, because usually I am around usually a 14, give or take, so I'm in a 12 in this. You could belt it, you could, again, traveling, so many people are traveling, or you're going to a hot destination, jean jacket with this, perfect. Tights with this, I just love it. It just reads fresh and fun to me. So I paired it with some resin earrings again. These ones are the little teardrop, and they're two-toned, which is very chic. Mixed metals, two-toned. I love it. We cannot start off the new year without talking about outerwear for snowfall of the year happening, and this jacket is just, oh my gosh, it's the perfect jacket. I just love it. The color is gorgeous navy. It's not too deep, like it's a beautiful blue, and it has zipper here with it. Functional pocket, so like that's handy. You can keep your keys in there. I'm always looking for things. I lose them in my big bag, so you can keep things handy. It has the silver zipper all the way down, and it is lightweight. So this is my biggest, it is cozy and warm, but it's lightweight. This could travel with you. This can be, you're in a shopping mall and you're overheated, no problem. You can carry this around. There's almost no weight to it for how cozy and comfy it is. It's just beautiful. Oh, I love it. So this is their new, it's brand new brought in. It's the Fransa brand. So I don't think it has a name yet, but you'll notice it as soon as you walk in the store. And this is like a must-have. Transitioning, you're in an airport, you're going somewhere, transitioning from cold to hot. This is my wishful thinking. I'm manifesting a trip for myself. And this is what's gonna be on my carry-on luggage.